The KPI Exception Graphical Decision Support module is a complementary module to the KPI Exception Prioritization Decision Support module. This graphical module automatically generates presentation quality graphics that sharply illustrate all of the conclusions and prioritize and optimize results already displayed in the KPI Exception Prioritization Decision Support module. Acuitas Decision Support best practice is for you to leverage the KPI Exception Graphical Decision Support module after first viewing the KPI Prioritization Decision Support module results. This allows you to use this graphical module with a focus of gaining a visual perspective of the key conclusions already revealed from your review of the KPI Exception Prioritization Decision Support module. This best practice process can help you decide if you want to run additional what-if simulations to further refine your decisions about the project and which specific metrics to target in the next set of iterations. The upcoming video demonstrates how the Acuitas KPI Exception Graphical Decision Support module uses auto-generation of graphics and intelligent tables to help you more quickly and effectively refine your project decision-making. This is the KPI Exception Navigation cockpit from which you can reach all of the modules of the solution. Clicking on the Exception Report Results Navigation button immediately takes you to the KPI Exception Graphical Decision Support homepage. The KPI Exception Graphical Decision Support module enables the automatic generation of presentation quality charts and graphics and intelligent filter tables simply by clicking on the appropriate Run Navigation button that appears in the column immediately to the left of the description. For this example, we will be displaying the impact on 2015 projected net income of the projected versus target values for the average percent annual growth in percent return on shareholders' equity for 2013 to 2015. So we'll just scroll down to find the exact one, hit on the Run button. The system immediately generates the following: the KPI Exception Decision Filter table, which we see here, shows all of the metrics and values used in the graphical output. Just scroll over to show you all of the information. Come back. The KPI Exception Decision Support Interpretation table, which we see here, provides the explanation of the graphics and how to interpret the results. And then scrolling down a little bit more, the KPI Exception Decision Support charts show the results. In this case, we can see that the run created two charts. On the left, the impact on 2015 net income in millions of dollars of the change in the percent return on shareholders' equity. That's just chart. And if we slide over a little bit, we see the second one on the right-hand side for the return as a result of the percent change. The chart illustrates in descending order the degree to which the projected 2015 net income after tax changed from what it would have been had each project simply maintained the percent return on shareholders' equity that it achieved in the base year 2013. So we can see that Atlanta was the best project in this regard at $205 million of its projected 2015 net income after tax, projected to be attributed to its improvement in the percent return on shareholders' equity from 2013 to 2015. We can see that both Atlanta and Chicago outperformed the target, while Minneapolis is projected to perform the worst, falling short of the target by nearly $400 million. We see the target was set at $125 million. Now if we slide over and we look at things from a percentage point of view, we'll see a slightly different picture. And what we can see is that, again, Chicago is projected to be the best performer with an 11% gain, and Minneapolis again projected to be the worst, falling short by nearly 30%. Once the review of the charts and tables is complete, we just go up to the top and we click on the refresh button. And what that does is it restores the KPI Exception Graphical Decision Support table containing the data from which the charts were developed back to its original format. We click on the Exception button and it immediately takes us back to the initiating KPI Exception Graphical Decision Support home screen and ready to do another one-click generation of other charts. This concludes the demo for the KPI Exception Graphical Decision Support module.